This video will cover the basic installation of heating element replacement for the EdenPURE USA 1000 and the EdenPURE Gen 4 family of heaters. We will provide a visual demonstration on how to open the unit, inspect, and replace the heating elements. First, make sure the unit is unplugged from the wall. Remove the screws from the rear panel. 2 or more of the screws may be covered with a tamper sticker. The internal access panel is held in place by a top metal bracket and a screw at the bottom. Some versions will not include a top bracket and may include an additional screw at the bottom. After the screws and metal bracket have been removed, you will be able to lift up on the access panel. Lift the entire access panel up and out to release it. Pull gently out and carefully lay it down while not disconnecting any wires. Mark the heating element wires for reference. Remove the heating element wire by firmly squeezing and pulling off the connector. Remove the heating element retaining bracket. Remove the heating element, taking care not to touch the glass. You can now inspect the element and replace them as needed. When replacing, do not force the heating element into the chamber. Here is an image of the heating element support bracket. The support bracket is located at the front of the heating element chamber. The bracket and this image of the chamber will not be visible during the installation of your heating element. We have included it to show that the heating element must fit inside of the support bracket. Do not force the heating element into the support bracket. This may take several tries, but to assist in the alignment of the heating element, you can stand the heater onto its face. You can now reinstall the retaining brackets and plug in the connectors. Complete the reassembly of the unit by reinstalling the internal access panel and back cover. After reassembly, operate the heater, paying attention that it performs properly. For more helpful tips and additional parts, you may visit our website at www.pureenergystore.com or give us a call at 330-527-9057.